In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover lost files with Google Drive for desktop. This process is not only straightforward, but also essential for anyone who heavily relies on Google Drive to store their important documents and files. Sometimes, you might accidentally delete a file or lose track of where it has been saved, and that's where these steps come in handy. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Simply type Google Drive into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll want to select the first search result, or if you see a link starting with https://drive.google.com, go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to the Google Drive website. Once you're on the Google Drive page, you'll either see your Drive home page or be prompted to log in. Most likely, if you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, it will automatically log you in. If it doesn't, just enter your Google account credentials, and you'll be ready to proceed. Once logged in, look to the left-hand side of the Google Drive screen. Here, you'll find a menu filled with different options. Search for the one that says Trash, or sometimes labeled as Bin, depending on your language settings. Click on this option to open it. The Trash section is where all your deleted files are stored temporarily. They remain here for 30 days before they're permanently deleted from Google Drive, so this section can be quite helpful if you need to recover a recently deleted file. Now, browse through the files displayed in the Trash folder. Look for the specific file that you want to recover. It might take a bit of scrolling if you have many deleted items, but be patient as this list saves a lot of heartache from lost documents. When you find the file, you have two easy options to restore it. The first option is to right-click directly on the file itself. A small menu will appear, and you'll want to select Restore. This action will immediately move the file back to its original location where it was last stored within your Google Drive. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with using the icons on the page, click on the file once to select it. Then glance up to the top of the page. There you'll find a small clock icon, which represents the Restore option. Simply click this icon, and voila! Your file will now be restored and available for you to use again. Remember, once the file is restored, it will go back to the original folder where it was stored before being deleted, making it easy for you to find it and ensuring minimal disruption to your workflow. That's it for recovering lost files using Google Drive for desktop. Quick, simple, and incredibly effective.